Welcome back, everybody. Storm is in a parabolic storm. You can see huge volume coming in. Storm. Let's look on the daily. Start with the daily, guys, on the dollar. This is what we're looking for, guys. This is what we're looking for. A clear breakout of this baseline. You can see this baseline right here. That was like an accumulation box right here. Let's put a box here so we'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, this accumulation box. Once we break out of this range, this thing went nuts, guys. It went on a nightmare mode. Now we traded it in the Patreon. We scooped some up right here, somewhere here, and we also added today. I will show you. We added today. That was the Storm USD post. You can see Storm USD. It was in this little triangle. I will show it to you. Buy on the breakout of 2871. Preferably 1 hour close above 289. Once it's closed the 1 hour candle, we added to the position. Very simple setup. Okay. Now look. If we go here, I will show you it. The triangle that I was talking about. That's the triangle. Okay. This is the green line. That's the triangle. Once this candle closed, okay, we added to our position. Okay, we added to our position, and we were up in profit of 29%. Obviously, we had some back before that. Now, we took profits, okay, on the BTC chart. I will show you it in a second where we take in profit, what our targets are in the Patreon. But if you don't belong to a community or a trading group, please join the Patreon. Do yourself a favor, man, because alt season this year and this time, it will not be all alts will rise, okay? It will be different, okay? Some alts will pop, some alts will not move, okay? Now, if you look at Storm, it's clearly in a parabolic phase now. Now, this thing can go nuts, guys. Okay, now let's look on the Bitcoin chart because you have much more data, price data with the Storm. Okay, so then you can take profits on the BTC chart. Now, you can see this is all the targets we have here. Okay. Now, we took the first target here. We're talking about 20%, 25% of your position. You take at 37 Satoshis. Our next target is 46 Satoshis. You can see it falls in line with previous resistance, okay? See, let me show you that. We have here serious stop, okay? We could get rejected. Obviously, this stop as well we have. So we take profits all along the way. You need to take profits because this thing are moving very, very fast, very, very hard, and it's gonna come back down at the same speed, even in a higher speed after the whales that been buying here would like to get rid of all their bags. All right, guys. So keep that in mind, okay, before buying altcoins. Obviously, we have a kind of an event soon in a couple of days, so that's probably in a FOMO state. Now look at that. Look at the beautiful chart pattern of Storm. That's what we are looking in the Patreon. The bottom formation on the Bitcoin chart, long-term, multi-month. This is up to 1 year of accumulation, okay? Accumulation zone. People were accumulating here. You can see volume spikes, and then a breakout. Once it broke out of the accumulation range, this thing went nuts. Now, I think it's gonna go much more higher. I might be wrong. That's why I scoop some profit all along the way. I'm scooping profits all along the way, but I'm expecting Storm to go, if we take the fib retracement, guys, this is a very important tool and measured. By the way, oh my god, so much downtrend happened here. Now I'm expecting Storm, if we measure it from that top, okay, to that bottom, I'm expecting it at least to test that one. I think really we're gonna test the 171. It is a possibility. It's not have to happen. Not 171, a little bit later, before 160 area, okay, 150 Satoshi's area. This will be an amazing, if you wanna hodling for a big move, this will be a perfect place to sell some. You know, this will give you 4x your money, maybe 5x. This is ridiculous. If you're not taking profits when you're up 5x or even double or triple, if you're not taking profits, man, this is very, very stupid, okay? Because this thing will not rise forever, okay? After people will start taking profits, the price gonna crash down. This is how it works, okay? So you must take profits. Anyway, guys, join the Patreon. We give signals every day. We trade in Storm. We trade in much more coins. We trade in Zilliqa ADA. Lots of coins. Link, XTZ. Really, you must join. This is alt season. It's the most profitable times to be in crypto. but you need guidance. You need to know how to sell, how to take profits, when to enter a trade. It's not so hard, but it's also very hard to understand it yourself, and it takes time, and you will lose a lot of gains while trying to understand it yourself. Anyway, guys, you're welcome to join the Patreon. It's very cheap, but the value is amazingly high. All right, I see you in the next one. Cheers.